Dozer, when you're done, bring the ship up to broadcast depth.
I got a new pan. Hopefully it really does what it says. Non-stick. So let's try it out. Now I just made the eggs with my brand new copper non-stick pan. I looked up a couple different brands, but then I saw that one had a lid when I went to the Walmart, and I looked it up and it said that it actually cooks better than the other Blue Diamond and Gotham. Probably the easiest time I've had cooking eggs. One thing that I have an issue with cooking is when things stick, you got to go clean it up. And when you drive hard, sometimes you don't want to go clean shit up at the end of the day. That's like a whole nother process to actually wash dishes. Some places don't like you doing it in their sinks. And yeah. Easy cleanup. Cooked the food, didn't stick. Time to eat. I'm trying to eat better. So I usually don't eat 5 eggs. But the heck. It's 70 calories per egg. It says 350 calories, 6 grams of protein. That's 30 grams. It's got good fats. I think it's got like 70 milligrams of sodium, so it's ultra low sodium. I might have to add a few calories for the cooking oil, I guess. But that's fats and things that you need. We have like no carbs right now. But this should keep me full for most of the morning. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now. It's Sunday. I'm getting into the day. But this channel started off as the Trip Fit Trucker, and this is Trip Fit Trucking, and I let it all go. So it's not that I have to get it back. I just have to get it. I don't believe in getting shit back. Fuck that.
Ninja vanish!